So class, we have a new student. Skeng, please introduce yourself. Yeah, one of them foreign exchange student there. Which language that? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just go get the Google Translator and fall back, okay? Okay, so in the meanwhile, I'm gonna get the Google Translator so that we can understand what the foreign exchange student is saying. So I'm gonna just left some work on the board or so phone. Alright. So I'm gonna leave the work on the board. Meanwhile, kids, remember, no smoking. What do you mean? Supposed to smoke as a teacher. Later, we go have a talk about drugs. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the work on the board. You know what? I'm gonna get the damn translator and come back here. I have to find out where you are. Idiot farm boy. Oh, yeah, look palm, sir.
Watch it. Watch it for my knock it in the traffic. Watch it for my cutting in your face, so my ratchet.
Bad people. Yo.
Low and badness, superior white people.
So, yo, man, skill. So you make sure think you can't talk English, yo. I'm sorry that I man, one skill. So I talk to man and man just talk different language, you're cool. So you be work, yo, hurt it. You play draft later?
The pop a little boy thing them in the day with.
So you play draft after this?
The pop a little boy thing them in the day with.
Cool. What's that for? No more that rub your draft king. Sir, come! Yo, lend me a book. Shit. Me leave right off in. You find the answer they made. Sir, come. Just number 4 and 7, I lend me paper. Just number 4 and 7. Please. Please, my beg you. Lend me a book. Please. Not even find the answer they made, sir. Just number 4 and 7. And everything else.
Hey boy! More!
Wanna stop it right now. Nerd. We don't want to let me. Man could have easily give me an answer now. Nerd.
Better humble yourself before Buddha have to chop off any day, I told you. Gunman.
I'm a doctor.
Tell a boy don't ramp on my street quick.
Hear all the bell ring there. You, love Skeng. Skeng is just a foreign student. He's not a nerd. And nobody's trying to mess up your street cred. Skeng, just behave. No. This is where I teach you how to make a spliff.